Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to demonstrate how to bind JCombo box with MySQL database values in Java NetBeans. So first you can see that I already defined a JFrame form. I had given the name of the JFrame dynamic combo box. Now I will draw a combo box over here. I am going to give the name of the combo box JState. Then I'll go to the properties. I will remove all the models that is existing here. I'll remove it del. I'll close it. After doing that, I will show you my database. It is my database. The database that I have done in MySQL. My database name is Jim, and under the database there is a one table called info. It has three columns. One is country, state and city. I would like to display all the state values in that combo box. So after doing that, first I have to import my library. So what I'll do, I'll go to library, right click, add library. From there I will take MySQL JDBC driver. I'll connect that driver, add library. You can see that your library has been added. Now I will go to write the code for that. So I'll go to the source. I will define one separate function over here. I'll give the name of the function public void dyna combo. So name of that function is dyna combo. Inside of that function I have to write the code. So first I'll define try block. A try block also have a catch block. Catch SQL exception EX opening brace for the catch block. So you can see that I have defined. Now I have to import the exceptional package. So javasql.exceptional. After doing that, whatever the variables is required, I'll define that variables as a global variable. My first variable is connection. The name of the connection is CNT. Connection CNT. I'll import that package javasql.connection. After connection, I'll define one more variable is prepared statement. For that name is PS. Then result set. Import java.sql.result set. Now I'll go to the try block. I'll initialize this all variables. So CNT is equal to, so I have to make the connection. So driver manager dot get connection. I have to mention the path of my database. So I will do like that. JDBC colon MySQL colon / local host, then the host number 3306 / database name GYM, then the username. By default the database username is root and the password is blank, so double quotation. So I have established the connection. After connection I have to create my prepare statement. So prepare statement variable is ps is equal to connection cnt dot prepared statement. In here you can write your SQL command. Select, you can do, suppose you want to extract only the state, you write select state from the table name is info. Now after that you do create a result. So rs result set is equal to repeat statement. So ps dot execute query. Now you start a while loop to extract all the records. While rs dot next function opening brace for while loop your j combo box name. So j state dot add item. Now that's the add item is equal to rs dot get string bracket 1. Now after doing that, so this function you have to call it after init components. After you call this function you will dy in China combo. So you are calling this function after init. Now you run your program. You can see Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar, it is coming like that. So you do one thing, select, then distinct distinct state from info. Again right click, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar. You can see that thing. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel.